Today I'll be showing you how to make a colour combination lock. You'll be needing 3 repeaters, 4 normal pistons, 4 sticky pistons, 1 button, 1 comparator, 1 bucket of water, 5 cauldrons, 15 redstone dust, and at least 25 blocks of choice. Here's how you make it. And as you can see here, I put a repeater down there. You don't need that first one that I placed. And the rest of these are just 2 ticks. Now as you can see where I put the water in, it gives off an output. Now here, if you just cover up all the redstone, it will look more like it. And with that comparator output, you would maybe like depower a door. As you can see, if you press a button, it cycles those blocks around. And as you can see, since the cauldron with water is not there, it's not giving an output. Please like and subscribe if you're new, everyone, and goodbye.